G'day, I'm Scott Gibbons. I'm here with Christian Bold. Christian is the guru, if you like, of caravan servicing because you've got Bold TCRC.
Yeah, mate, yeah. Proud to say that I'm the owner of Bold Trailer and Caravan Repair Centre.
So a service, everybody says I'm going to get a service done, they get their car serviced. When they get a caravan or a trailer serviced, what's the important part?
So we offer a full service. Included in that service is obviously the bearings, whether they can be cleaned, repacked and reused or replaced. We've got the brakes, which need to be checked, cleaned, at least adjusted or replaced depending on the condition of them. The suspension needs to be checked and greased. The chassis needs to be checked for any imperfections, whether it be cracks, stress marks, anything like that. We grease the jockey wheel, we grease the coupling. It's amazing how many customers appreciate just the greasing of the jockey wheel because they start to rust out in time, get very dry.
Exactly.
And they actually say to us, oh, did you replace the jockey wheel? No, we just greased it. You've got to make sure everything is 100% when you take to the roads, because if you don't, when you've got something the size of a caravan or a big boat trailer on the back of your car, if that's not braking when it should, all hell can break loose.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So when people get the service done, how long does that last?
Manufacturers recommend a service every 12 months or 10,000 K, whichever comes first. Now, a lot of the time you may need to do that to keep within the warranty conditions of that caravan, especially if it's new. And keep in mind, a lot of caravans, once they're over 5 years of age, they need to get a pink slip each year. With a trailer, they need to get a pink slip every 12 months from new.
So servicing is a vital thing to do.
Absolutely, just like a car.
And when they bring it into Bold, all of your servicing is done indoors.
Absolutely, we have 3 hoists that we get the caravan or trailer up on. That way we can inspect not just from the side, but also underneath.
And this is the big new premises at Miranda. And this is important. When they drive in, they can actually drive in.
Yeah, so you can actually drive straight into our driveway, pull up right outside our roller door. One of our team will come out, help you unhitch, take your details down, take photos of the vehicle, give you a handshake, see you when you're ready to pick up, or give you a call if there's anything we need to explain to you about the service. Bring it with the forklift and away we go.
So when you want your servicing done, where do they come to?
They come to Bold Trailer and Caravan Repair Centre. They can visit us at our website, which is boldtcrc.com.au, or give us a call on 02 8544 8114.